Hey, what's going on, guys? Assad here, and in this episode, we're gonna learn about get month method in the time object. So, what we're gonna do is go to the console, create a var. Inside that, what we're gonna do is moon landing equals new date. Inside that, what we're gonna put is July 20 comma 69, yeah, 69. And after that, what we're gonna do is 20 and 18. When we're done with that, what we're gonna do is log it on a console and month the moon landing dot get month. After that, when we log it on a console, we will get the month 6th. Now you're gonna say, hey Asad, yeah, is not July is not a 6th month, right? It's 7th. But the January gives you 0. That's why. This is the reason. If January is gonna 0 and February gonna 1, then July gonna definitely gonna be 6th. So this is the reason. So hope you guys understand. Thanks for watching. See you guys in the next tutorial.